Is Saket? Okay, bro. Are you ready? Is Saket? Are you ready? Okay, you can start recording. So, good evening, guys. Before starting this session, uh, firstly, I introduce myself. Myself, RAVIRAJ Surve, and I am from Leshland teammate. And today I am going to take group mock interviews of all synergy aspirants. Okay. So, our today topic is boiler. Everyone know the topic?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, let's begin. Okay. So, Phillips, Mr. Phillips, what is your actual name? Philip?
My name is Philip, sir.
Okay. So, please turn on your camera. Okay. So, Philip, are you ready?
Yes.
I mean, have you prepared boiler topic?
Sir, I've seen the topic today evening. I prepared accordingly. Till this time,
Okay.
I was prepared.
Okay, no problem. In today's session, I will just ask on the just normal questions, not deep question. Okay. So
Okay.
try to answer. Okay. So Philip, tell me what is a boiler
So, boiler is a device which is used to produce steam
and how it's produced
by evaporating the water, sir.
and how you evaporate the water in boiler.
In boiler, there exists a part called combustion chamber where ignition will be done so as to increase the temperature and evaporate it.
Okay. So and what is the actual function of boiler?
The actual function of boiler varies accordingly, sir, for every use. It is used for making steams in steam turbine in engines. Then, according to MNC, there should be minimum hot water requirements so as to produce it.
Okay. 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 And Phillips, can you tell me what are the types of boilers?
There are different types of boiler, but mainly it consists of water tube boiler and smoke tube boiler.
Yes, and then further classified as per their names and positions.
According to position, vertically fired and horizontally fired boilers.
Okay. So Philip, tell me uh, uh, basic four types of four name of boiler. Tell me the four names of boiler.
Cochrane boiler, Wilson Babcock boiler.
Okay.
Then that's all that I recall.
Okay. Okay. That's it. Huh? So Philip, can you tell me why we use steam onboard ship? What is the reason? Why do we need this steam onboard ship?
The steam is used for the power generation, sir.
Power generation onboard ship.
I'm not sure, sir.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Thank you, Philip.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Yes, Karan Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Okay. Are you ready, bro?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So Karan Singh, firstly tell me what is the main function of boiler
So it is used to convert the water into steam for
water
power
into
generation.
okay for power generation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you tell me what are the types of boiler?
So mainly there are two types of boiler: fire tube boiler and a water tube boiler. And in
And
fire tube boilers, types of fire tube boilers are Lancashire boiler and Lancashire boiler, locomotive boiler, and Scotch marine boiler and Cornish boiler.
okay, so these are the names of boiler. Okay. So, uh, have you prepared boiler topic deeply
Yes,
or?
sir. Not deeply, sir.
Okay.
You can ask the
So,
question, sir. I will.
okay, okay, no problem. So, Karan Singh, tell me just name of the mountings of boiler.
Some mountings. So first of all, safety valve, and
Okay,
then pressure gauge, water level
okay,
indicator,
okay,
and scum blow down valve,
okay,
and boiler blow down valve, and
okay,
fusible plug, air vent cock,
okay,
and that's all, sir.
okay. So, these are the boiler mountings, right?
Mm.
Okay. And tell me the names of boiler accessories.
So boiler superheater, economizer, air preheater, and feed pump.
Feed pump, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Karan, can you tell me why do we need steam on board ship?
So for many purposes, like sir, to generate power and for oil heating and for sir for boiling the water, and I don't know that much, sir. Right.
Okay, okay, okay. That's it. Okay, Karan, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Ashwin.
Yes, Raviraj.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Ashwin. So, Ashwin, firstly, tell me basic two types of boiler. Name of boiler,
There
basic
are two.
two types.
There are two types of boiler: smoke tube boiler and a fire tube boiler.
Okay, and then tell
In
me,
smoke tube,
okay, classify. Okay, classify.
okay. In smoke tube boiler, inside the tubes we send the smoke that burns gases, and outside the pipe it will be tubes. It will be the water. And in the water tube boiler, inside the tubes it will be the water, and outside it will be the smoke, flue gases.
Okay, and tell me the names of boilers.
Uh, okay.
A-
Cornish
a-
boiler, Cornish boiler, locomotive boiler, Welcome boiler, Scotch marine boiler, Lancashire boiler, Cornish and Cochrane boiler, and Simba vertical boiler. Those are some few, I guess. That,
Okay, okay, no problem. And Ashwin,
yes,
do you know we use steam on board ship? Okay,
yes, sir.
right? So, tell me the four purpose why we use steam on board ship.
Okay, we use steam on our ship for in order to heat the heavy fuel oil in order to reduce
Okay,
its viscosity, and
okay,
we use steam for running the steam turbines inside the ships, and
which
steam turbines. In order to
okay
run
steam
the steam
turbine.
turbine,
Okay,
steam turbine.
this steam turbine where connected?
I don't know about. I,
Okay,
I have no idea.
okay. Third,
And for third is for the accommodation for bathing purpose of the seafarers and for the accommodation of the seafarers. Whenever the outside temperature is cold, it is
these
heated.
are the applications, basic applications where
We use steam.
okay. So, Ashwin, have you heard about there is the air vent cock also, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, do you know why we use air vent cock in boiler?
Yes, we use air on cork whenever the boiler is needed to be filled with water. There will be air inside it. So
Okay.
whenever we mix with water, air with water, gases like O2 and CO2 is present in that. They might cause splitting corrosion inside the boiler. It might damage the equipment, the boiler. It might form like H3O3, HCO3, HCO3. It might damage the boiler. So in order to remove that, we use air vent. We will drain the air. We will remove the air inside the drum boiler.
Okay. So this is the one reason. And second reason, do you know about second reason?
Second reason, no, I don't know. I will say this on.
Okay. Okay. No problem. I think.
Ah,
Thank you.
thank you very much.
Okay. Yes, Ajinkya.
Yes, bro.
Yes, bro. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So Ajinkya, tell me what is the function of boiler?
The basically function of boiler is to produce the steam by using the water, and we use the steam for many purposes on the ship.
Okay. So basically, boiler is a closed vessel device. Okay.
Yes,
In which water is heated by using or by burning fuel
by burning the
and then,
fuel.
converted into the steam. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Ajinkya, can you tell me name of the accessories of the boiler?
There are the economizer, air preheater, then a superheater, then hmm, I'm just recalling that much. Sorry,
Okay.
I'm not just
Okay.
very
Okay.
sure.
Okay. No problem. Tell me the mountings of the boiler.
There is a scrum wall. There is a water level, low water level wall, like water level down or low water level wall, we can say. Then there
Okay.
is a safety wall. Then there is a feed check wall,
Okay.
likewise.
Okay. There are many mountings. Okay.
Yes,
So okay.
need,
So
need to
Ajinkya,
work.
yes, we
Yes,
have to prepare.
yes.
Okay. So Ajinkya, tell me why do we you need this steam on board ship? What is the purpose of
Can
steam
you
on board?
repeat the question? Sorry.
Uh, why do we need steam on board ship?
There are many reasons that we use steam on board ship. The first and basic reason that we use steam, that we heat the HFO oil that need to be constantly heated or to some amount of temperature. Also, it
Okay.
is steam is used for the COPT, that is steam turbine,
Okay.
and also it is used for the accommodation of the seafarers.
Okay. So these are the applications of steam, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Ajinkya, tell me what are the main types of boiler?
There are basically two types of boiler, that is smoke tube boiler and water tube boiler.
Okay. So tell me in water tube boiler, water is circulated through the tubes or surrounding the tubes
Water is circulated through the tubes.
in water tube boiler, right?
Yes.
Okay. And
And
in
in a
fire tube
smoke
boiler,
tube boiler,
uh,
there is a smoke inside the tubes and water is around the tubes. And smoke tube boiler, there are a high amount of water that we use.
okay. Okay.
Is
Thank
that
you.
wrong?
No, thank you. Thank you, Ajinkya. Okay. Yes, Harish.
Yes, bro.
Okay. Harish, have you prepared boiler topic
Yes.
totally? Okay. So firstly, tell me, Harish, what is the function of boiler?
Okay, boiler is a closed vessel in which we heat the water to convert into steam by using heat energy or fuel.
Okay.
It's called boiler.
So okay, that is called a boiler, right? So Harish,
Yes.
all they are till the names of the all they are said the names of the mountings. Okay. So you just explain four uh, mountings. Okay. So
Okay.
okay. So start.
Okay. Water level indicator.
Okay.
First, it is used to check the level of water to an observer.
Right.
And pressure gauge. It is used to measure the pressure inside of a boiler, and we use burden gauge, which is high pressure gauge.
Burden tube type pressure gauge. Right. Okay.
Third, safety valve. Safety valve is used to remove the excess pressure inside the steam boiler. And fourth one is mm, air vent cock.
Okay. Air vent cock. So Harish,
Yes.
you said we use water level indicator.
Yes.
Right. So how many number of water indicators we use in boiler?
It has two,
Okay, two water level indicators we use. So what is the reason?
because if one is in one glass stuck some unwanted particles or dust or mist, if we don't get proper reading, that's why we using another one to get proper reading.
Okay, so that is the reason. So why
Yes.
we use two water level indicators, right?
Yes.
So Mr. Harish, tell me name of the accessories of boiler.
Okay. Feed pump,
Okay,
the air preheater, superheater, then
okay,
exhaust gas economizer.
okay. Exhaust gas economizer. And fourth one, superheater also, no?
Yes, yes, preheater, superheater, feed
Ah,
pump, and that.
exhaust gas economizer, right? So
Yes.
Harish, tell me why do we need of steam on board ship?
Okay, there are various purposes for using steam. First, we operate one crude oil pump in tanker ship, so it
Okay,
required huge steam for operating to turn that turbine or use that pump. And second, accommodation purpose like heating water mm, and refrigeration, air conditioning, and other is
okay. And third one,
firefighting accessories
firefighting accessories.
to use firefighting device or pumps.
Okay, can you explain how it's work? Firefighting accessories.
No, I don't know that. I read it
Okay,
from
okay, okay, no problem. Okay, thank you, Harish.
okay.
Sujit Jagatap,
Yes, bro.
are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, so see the Harish said the types of accessories. Okay, name of the accessories.
yes.
So can you explain one by one accessories how it's work? Just
Okay.
explain two accessories.
Two accessories only.
Yes.
Okay. First one is a feed pump. The main function of the feed pump is to deliver the water to the boiler, and we use the different types of the pump. That is the reciprocating or the centrifugal type. And second is economizer. The main function of the economizer is to heat the water inside the boiler with the help of hot exhaust gases. With means before leaving from the chimney. That
Okay, so uh, we heat the water. Huh?
yes.
Okay, okay. And what is the function of preheater?
Basically, preheater is a type of the heat exchanger which used to increase the temperature of the air before it enters into the furnace
Into the furnace or combustion chamber.
or the combustion chamber. Yes, that.
Okay. And what is the function of superheater?
The main function of the superheater is to increase the temperature of the saturated steam, but we
Okay,
don't want to increase the pressure. This pressure does not increase.
okay. These are the function of the all accessories, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Sujit, do you know we use air vent
Yes.
cock in the boiler? So what is the main function of the air vent cock?
Okay, bro. As we know that when the oxygen will be there in the air boiler, then pitting corrosion may take place. So the main function of this air vent is to remove the air from the boiler, and also it is avoided from the implosion. As a fusible plug is avoided is used to avoid explosion, so that this air vent is used to avoid implosion.
Okay. So do you have any idea how the implosion takes place in boiler?
Implosion basically when more air will be inside the boiler, so it will means when we do not remove the air outside the boiler, so more pressure will be created inside the boiler, and because of that the implosion may take place, I think so.
Okay. Okay, Sujit. Okay. So Sujit, do you know we use steam onboard ship? So tell me basic four applications of steam onboard.
Okay.
Okay.
Basically, steam is used for heating the fuel oil, because we get the bad quality of the fuel. Then we have to
Right.
bring at a desirable viscosity. So we use
Okay.
the steam, and also we use this steam to heat the water for the general purpose uses, and also for
Okay.
heating accommodations. And
Okay.
also this heat is used to drive means run the turbine, which is driven by the centrifugal pump.
Okay. And this centrifugal pump where we use?
I think carbo oil pump something at.
Okay. So you have to know about this, na?
Yes.
Okay. So okay. Thank you, Sujit.
Thank you, bro.
Okay. Yes, Arup. Arup.
Yes, yes,
Yes, bro. Are you ready?
yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Arup. Firstly, tell me what is the function of boiler?
The function of the boiler is to produce the steam use of the water by burning fuel.
Okay. So that is the function of boiler, right? Or have you prepared
Yes,
a
yes.
boiler topic totally?
Yes, I prepared. Yes, I prepared.
Okay. Okay. No problem then. So tell me the types of boiler.
Boilers are classified in many sections according to the tubes. Boilers are classified into two types. One is fire tube boiler and another is water tube boiler. According to the furnace, boiler is classified into two types. One is internally furnace and another is externally furnace. According to the uh, according to the two tube, one is single tube and one is multi tube. And according to the cell, one is a vertical cell and another is horizontal cell tube boiler.
Okay. So you said whole classification of boiler. Okay. I am asking
Yes,
just
yes.
types of boiler. So there are many main two types of boiler: water tube and fire tube. Okay.
Fire
Okay.
tube,
So
yes,
Anup, you said water tube boiler and fire tube boiler, right?
yes, yes.
So yes. Can you tell me in water tube boiler what is circulated through the tubes or over the tubes?
Water is circulated through the tube and surrounded by the flue gases.
And fire tube boiler?
In fire tube boiler, flue gases are through by the tubes and water is surrounded by the tubes.
Okay. That's it. Right. Okay. So
Yes.
Arup, tell me name of the boiler mountings.
Boiler mountings has one. First one is safety valve, and second one is water level indicator. Third one is feed check valve. Fourth one is scum valve. Then air vent cock and air vent cock. One is low water level indicator
Okay.
and safety pressure gauge,
Okay.
steam pressure gauge.
Okay.
That's
Okay, that's it. Na? Okay. So, Arup, can you explain one mounting, which is fusible plug, how it's work?
usual plug. Basically, when the water in the steam drum goes below the limit, Then fusible flux actives and it melts, and then uh, it melts. Then corrosion does not take place inside the steam drum
Okay. So fusible plug we use for to avoid corrosion or to avoid explosion.
to avoid explosion.
Okay, this is a safety na.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So okay, no problem. So Arup, can you explain how the blow down wall work,
Blow
or
down valve.
is blow down or scum wall as you said?
Till I don't know sir, that how it works.
Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you, Arup.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, Gaurav. Yes, Gaurav Malik. Okay. Yes, Saket. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, Saket. Tell me the function of boiler. Okay. This is the function of boiler, right? And tell me the name of the boiler mountings. Okay, that's it. Okay, no problem. Okay, so Saket, tell me what is the function of feed check valve? Require amount of water in boiler. That is the function of. Okay. Okay. The answer is not 100% correct. Okay. So you have to find correct answer. Okay. Okay. Saket, tell me uh, why we use two water level indicators in boiler. Okay. So that's why we use. Okay. 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 No problem. So Saket, tell me. This is for you. Last question. Okay. Tell me what is the role of air vent in boiler? Okay, so that's why we use air vent cock in boiler, right? Okay, thank you, Saket. Yes, Chaitanya.
Yes, bro.
Okay, bro. Please turn on your camera. Yes, are you ready, bro?
Yes, bro.
Okay, have you prepared boiler topic?
Yes, I have prepared from Dreamer package.
Okay. Sorry. So Chaitanya, tell me the name of the boiler accessories.
I don't know boiler accessories. It is not covered in Dreamer package, and the boiler subject is not covered in our curriculum also.
Okay, okay, no problem. So okay, so you prepared dreamer package, right?
Yes.
So tell me, Chaitanya, why do we need steam on board ship?
So steam is produced, utilized in onboard ship is to heat the heavy fuel oil to reduce its
Okay,
viscosity to flow into the combustion chamber and to heat the accommodation and also to heat the to run the turbines, the crude oil turbines to run the crude oil pumps in cargo ships and we run the steam oil crude oil pumps to displace the crude oil to the refineries.
okay. And third function,
Third function is to heat the
accommodation purpose. Okay,
accommodation.
okay, right. So Chaitanya,
Yes.
tell me how the exhaust gas economizer work. Have you prepared in dreamer package?
No, accessories is not covered in Dreamer
Dreamer
package.
package, right? Okay, okay, no problem. Just a minute. Okay, so can you tell me types of boiler?
Types of boilers. Main types of boilers are water tube boilers and smoke tube boilers.
Water tube boiler and smoke tube boiler, right?
Smoke tube boilers. Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me in water tube boiler, water is circulated through the tubes or over the tubes, surrounding the tubes?
Water is circulated through the tubes and fire is surrounded by that. And in
Okay,
smoke tube boilers, fire and smoke is passed through the tubes and it is surrounded by the large amount of water.
okay, okay. So can you tell me the four names of boiler?
For I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you, Chaitanya.
Thank you.
Yes, Bange Patil.
Yes,
Okay, are you ready?
yes.
Okay, so first tell me what are the boiling mounting? Name of boiler mountings.
Water level indicator, feed check valve, low water level shutdown, pressure gauge, uh, blow down valve, fusible plug, and a steam stop valve.
Okay, so these are the boiler mountings, right?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what is the function of water level indicator?
It indicates the water level inside the boiler
Okay,
to an
and
observer.
how many water level indicators we use?
Two water level are indicated. Two water level indicator are used because of one is not working, other like backup.
Okay, so Bange Patil, can you tell me what is the function of feed check valve?
Feed check valve is also called as non-return valve to feed the
Yes.
water inside the boiler to the source up to the boiler source to
Okay.
the boiler.
Okay. So it's flow the water only one direction, not reverse direction from boiler to source. Okay. It's transfer the
Yes,
water from source to boiler.
yes.
Okay. So Bange Patil, can you tell me what is the function of blow down wall? Why we use blow down wall?
Blow down valve is used to the remove discharge the water when infection or shut down the boiler. Blow down valve is to remove the mud scaling which is
Sediments.
accumulated at the bottom of the boiler to remove this. That's why we use the blow down valve.
Okay, so blow down wall we use when the boiler inspection time or boiler shutdown time to remove the all impurities were already present at the bottom of the boiler, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so Vange Patil, can you tell me the four names of accessories of boiler?
फीड चेक म्हणजे फीड पंप इकॉनॉमायझर फीड वॉटर
Okay,
पंप इकॉनॉमायझर preheater and super
okay, so
heater.
these are super heater. Okay, so do you know about what is the about the boiler draft?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what is the boiler draft?
Boiler draft is the pressure difference between the combustion chamber and the atmospheric pressure. That's why draught is produced and hot gas pass through the atmosphere.
So that's why hot air passes through the boiler to
Atmosphere.
into from boiler to atmosphere. Okay, that's the boiler draft, right? So Vange Patil, just last question. Tell me what is the role of air vent cock in boiler?
To remove air vent cock is to remove the air inside the boiler. Air contain oxygen. It pitting corrosion occurs, and oxygen contains carbon dioxide. It corrodes the carbon dioxide. H2CO3 acid, carbonic acid. This is a very harmful for the tubes and inside parts of the boiler. That's why we remove the air inside the boiler through the air vent.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Vange Patil.
Welcome.
Yes, Karan.
Can you explain the drought system one time?
Uh, for which
The drought system in boiler, natural
draft?
drought
Okay,
system.
draft system of boiler. Okay, okay. So I will explain after the completing all the students. Okay,
Okay. Sorry.
okay. Yes, Alex. Yes, what is your full name, bro?
Abhishek Sawan.
Abhishek Sound. Please add your full name. Okay.
Yeah, it's the email name now. So I I
Okay. Abhishek
will
Sound.
type it.
Right. Okay, Abhishek, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Abhishek, tell me what is the function of boiler?
Boiler is a closed vessel which converts the water into steam with heat application.
Okay. So by burning the fuel, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Abhishek, tell me what are the types of boiler?
There are mainly two types of boiler, water tube boiler and fire tube. As we know, it is also called as smoke tube boiler.
Okay. So there are the main two types of the boiler. Then
Yes,
boiler
sir.
further classified as per their applications and positions or
Yes, sir.
tubes, etc. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So Abhishek, can you tell me the four names of boiler?
The I only know the two water tube boilers. That is Lofler. I don't pronounce it very correctly.
Okay. No
Lofler
problem.
and I think Lanchiska. I don't know their proper name. And the fire tube boilers are Scotch Marine boiler and locomotive boiler.
Okay. So these are the names of boiler, right?
Yes.
So Abhishek, tell me the name of the mountings of boiler.
There are various mountings of boilers such as safety valve, scum valve, blow down valve, and glass gauge, low water level shut off, and air vent, etc.
Okay. Okay. So these are the name of the boiler mountings, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Abhishek, can you explain the one accessories of boiler, how it's work?
Actually, I am from Timur package, so I don't know about accessories, but I have learned from this Google Meet. So mainly there are two type of accessories: economizer, air preheater, and a superheater. As we know, superheater is a device. Superheater is a type of boiler which converts wet steam into dry steam,
Okay.
and preheater.
Superheater is not type of boiler.
Yeah, is a part of
Accessory.
boiler. Sorry,
Okay. Okay.
sorry, it's misunderstanding. It's a
Okay.
part of boiler which converts wet steam into dry steam, and air preheater is a heat exchanger which preheats the air before the air enters in combustion chamber.
Okay. And what is the function of economizer?
Uh, Actually, economizer, I don't know really about it well.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you.
Yes, Jagan. Yes, Jagan. Jagan, can you hear me? Hello, Jagan. Okay, no problem. Second one is Anbarasu.
Yes, bro.
Okay, bro. Are you ready?
Yes, bro. Ready, bro.
Okay, so please turn on your camera. Okay. So, bro, tell me name of the mountings of boiler.
Feed check wall, blow down wall, water level indicator, scum wall,
Okay.
steam stop wall,
Okay.
feed check.
Okay. So these are the mountings of the boiler, right?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So tell me how many water level indicators we use in boiler.
There is two water level indicator in the boiler, bro.
Okay. And how many safety valves we use?
I think one, bro.
Okay. I think one. Okay. So okay, no problem. Do you know what is the function of fusible plug? How it's work?
When the boiler pressure is increased, the fusible plug is melt and allow water into combustion chamber and stop the fire.
Is it correct?
I, I don't know.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. So, bro, tell me, do you know we use steam onboard ship, right?
Yes,
So, tell me the purpose of steam why we use onboard ship. Tell me the four
to
applications.
to heat the HFO oil before
Okay.
entering into engine and to
Okay.
accommodation purpose,
Purpose. Okay.
crude oil heating.
Okay. So, these are the applications of the steam onboard
Yes,
ship, right?
yes,
Okay. So, can you tell me what is the function of economizer?
economizer is used to increase the water temperature
How
to
it's increase water temperature?
use the flue gas in the
Flue
boiler.
gases.
Yes, yes,
Okay, which and where are it's coming from? Flue gases,
combustion chamber.
combustion chamber. So try to explain by one or in whole process. Okay,
Okay,
just not one or two words.
okay, bro.
Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Jagan. Jagan, bro, your hello, Jagan. I think it's not okay. No problem. So I think all are done, right? Or anyone is remaining? No, no. Okay, no problem. So you can turn on your cameras. No problem. Okay, firstly, thank you for joining today's session. Okay,
Thank you, bro. Bro, there will be one more session of boiler or only
Yes,
this
yes.
one?
Today we will conduct another session on boiler. So you have
Yes,
prepared very well, and then try to give your best answer. Okay. I think
yes.
you have not prepared very well at at that
Mm.
time.
Yes, bro. To one more session, so we will get the time.
No problem. We will conduct another session also.
Yes.
Okay, Sakit, please stop recording.